You searched how to buy shares of McCormick Co Inc. MD, ticker MKC-V. McCormick is a global spices and flavorings company listed on NASDAQ under MKC-V, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will have to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can purchase. Use the platform search bar and type MKC-V to find McCormick Co Inc. Select the matching result to make sure you locate the correct listing. On the asset page, you will see a short company description and a price chart for MKC-V. Confirm the company name, market NASDAQ, and the ticker to ensure this is the right stock. To place an order, click Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the details, and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, the MKC-V position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to follow the same steps.